Dear friends, today I am going to address through this video to the civil society, all the political parties, head, and to the Prime Minister of Pakistan, especially Maryam Nawaz Sharif and the Bilawal Bhutto. In this country, Pakistan, the non-Muslims are very much suffering from the forced conversion, and in the Sindh, especially the Hindus are suffering from the forced conversion. There are two opinions. One parliamentarian belonging to the Muslim, they think that it is the right decision of girls, but we non-Muslims think that girl 12, 14, 16 years is kidnapped and forcibly converted. Number one, as child marriage law is present in the Sindh and in the whole Pakistan, but we do not get the protection of that. Number one. Other thing is that we think that as state do not give permission of driving before 18 years. State do not give permission of the vote before 18 years. State do not give permission of the ID card before 18 years. Means the state thinks the 18 years is the proper age that any boy or girl can take a good decision. So we demand also from the state that the conversion age should be decided 18 year, as there is a child marriage law in Sindh as 18 year. It should be implemented, and any girl who want to convert at the age of 18, she can go to the civil court and with as partner, and she can convert. We have no objection, but how we can accept the 12 year, 14 year, 16 year, 10 year? So it should be stopped. Number two, as Islam gave protection to the other religions also in the history, and as my Prime Minister Imran Khan came in Karachi, and he also gave one example. It is I very remember and quote that example to others, that there is no forcible conversion in Islam, as the father of Hazrat Ali was not become Muslim, but Ali accepted Islam, but his father not accepted. But Ali was lived life with his father, and also the father of Hazrat Ali was the guardian of the Muhammad, peace be upon him, and he because so we demand from the state that there is no forced conversion, and that child who accept Islam before 18, we have objection because it is not mature age, as I have given examples, that state do not give the permission of the driving, do not permission of the vote, and do not give the ID card before 18. So 18 years should be the age decided by the law. And also we think those parliamentarians who are making objection that before that age can marry a girl, I think I ask those MNAs and parliamentarians that you can give me any example of the daughter of parliamentarian. She had married before the 18 years in the age of 12, 14 or 16. I am not seeing any example. So I demand from the state that you should follow, because the Islam gives the very good lesson, as the Prophet passed every day from the one street, and there was a one lady who daily was throwing the dust and waste material of his home from the ceiling of his home, but the Prophet never got reaction, but he was polite to that lady. So I think, and also in Islam there is the lakum deen kum waliyadeen, means your religion with you and my religion with me. So I think all the political parties, all the Muslim parliamentarians, I request them that we can sit in one place, we can debate, and we can solve this problem, and it will be honor for our country Pakistan in the world. we have also other problems, but we are not, I am not taking here, as we are not equal citizen in the constitution of Pakistan, but here now only I am talking about the forced conversion. I request Prime Minister Imran Khan, President Arif Alvi Saab, and Maryam Nawaz Sharif and Bilawal Bhutto Saab that you should take interest, and I think that you can solve this problem and we can live here a good life, because Hindus and Christians also are they are the co-founder. They have played role in the independence of Pakistan, as the Jogendra Nath Mandal Hindu was the first law minister of Pakistan, and the SP Singha was the first speaker who helped to pass the resolution in the Punjab Assembly for the Pakistan. So we are also the citizens, we are son of soil, and those parliamentarians who are seeing that in India, there if Hindus are doing any wrong thing, or follower of the Modi are doing any wrong thing with the Muslim, we are not, you are not justified to make reaction to us. You are not justified to make that action to us, because we are the son of soil, we have got birth here, and it is never that any Taliban, if is a Muslim, he is doing wrong. It does not mean that the Taliban is a Muslim and all Muslims are bad. So we are not responsible for the followers of Modi, but we condemn. We are very shameful. We feel shameful if any there is a wrong thing in India, and we express our views in the social media and other forums. So I request you that you solve our problem, as we can live here in Pakistan peacefully. Thank you.